Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. This video is going to cover the law of cosines. So if we are problem solving with our triangles and we have an oblique triangle that gives us side angle side or side side side, we're going to use the law of cosines. The law of cosines does not have any ambiguous cases, so this is really just a matter of plugging and chugging. The only thing to be aware of is based on what the question is asking, you could use either the first formula or the second formula. They're actually the same, and so you don't need to use one or the other. Either one will work. It will just maybe require different steps for solving for your variable. But if you're looking for an angle, this is the most efficient formula to use. If you're looking for a side length, this is the most efficient formula to use. And again, I just want to remind you that this A does not necessarily mean angle A all the time. It's the angle that you're looking for. And the only thing to be very careful of is that when you're plugging in your side lengths to find an angle measurement, you need to make sure that this is the side that's across from the angle that you're looking for. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter where you put your B and your C. If you're looking for a side length, then this is going to be the given angle in the problem, not necessarily angle A, and this is going to be the side that's across from that given angle. And then otherwise, it's just a matter of plugging in your information and solving for your missing variable. We're also going to cover in class today our next area formula, which requires a side-side-side triangle, because it's all based on side lengths. So it's this formula right here, where the S is a ratio of the three sides added up divided by 2. So you need to find your S and then plug your S into this formula along with the side length of your three sides of your triangle, and then simplify that square root. And that's really it. Make sure you come in next class with any questions, but law of cosines is very straightforward. It is pretty much just plugging and chugging, and we'll take a look at some of the problems in class. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.